Welcome to Bedside Confidence. Get smart where it matters most, between the sheets.
5 things you must do immediately after sex. Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today's topic is short, simple, but super important. What are the things you must do right after sex? We're talking about basic, essential steps that help protect your health, support your hygiene, and strengthen your connection with your partner. So, let's jump right into the top 5 things you should do immediately after sex. 1. Go to the bathroom. First, and this is non-negotiable, go pee. Right after sex, bacteria can easily enter the urethra, especially for women. Urinating flushes out those germs and helps prevent urinary tract infections, or UTIs. Guys, this is good for you too. It helps clear out your system and reduce the chance of irritation or infection. Quick bathroom break equals smart post-sex hygiene. 2. Clean up gently. Next, clean yourself, but go gentle. Use warm water and mild fragrance-free soap to wash the outer areas of your genitals. No need to scrub or go too deep. Your body naturally balances itself, and please no douching or using scented sprays. These can throw off your pH and actually cause irritation or infections. Also, if you use toys, clean them too. Hygiene matters for both pleasure and safety. 3. Check the protection. If you used a condom or other form of protection, check it immediately. Look for any leaks, breaks, or slippage. If something seems off, it's better to know right away so you can take action, like emergency contraception or scheduling an STI test if needed. It only takes 10 seconds, but it could save you stress later. On 4, hydrate and relax. After sex, your body might be dehydrated, especially after intense or active intimacy. Drink a glass of water. It helps your body recover, supports circulation, and just makes you feel better overall. Then take a few deep breaths. Let your body relax. Your nervous system will thank you. 5. Communicate, even briefly, before you roll over and grab your phone. Take a moment to check in with your partner. Even a simple, "How are you feeling?" or "That was amazing," can make a big difference. This builds trust, comfort, and emotional connection. Remember, sex isn't just physical, it's emotional and mental. 2. A 30-second conversation can deepen your relationship more than you think. Now let's quickly recap the 5 things you must do immediately after sex. 1. Go pee to prevent infection. 2. Clean up gently, avoid harsh products. 3. Check your protection. Catch any problems early. 4. Hydrate and relax. Your body needs it. 5. Communicate with your partner. Even a few words matter. Doing these simple things right after sex helps you stay healthy, safe, and emotionally connected. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more real talk about health and wellness, and drop a comment below with any questions or topics you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself.